Hello everyone! Today we'll create with the canvas and I'll use Capri collection and just as you can see cut this beautiful picture, and now I mark with my stencil place where it will be. And now I will work with my background. First of all, I took stencil from Fineber and modeling paste, and now I will add some pattern on my background just in some places, not in all area but just somewhere. Now I want to add some crackly texture paste. I really like the effect which we will have after drying. Now I start working on my composition. I decided to cut this picture into pieces and to use it in layers. Also, I had this beautiful chipboard in form of window, and I decided to add these elements from mold to draw out my composition. I thought about adding a main theme chipboard, and it seemed to me that it would be very closely suited to my work. Now I start to glue everything onto my background. Here I decided to use foam, and I make some layers of it. Also I used transparent gel medium, and now I think I will cover this first picture and the next one too with a gel medium to protect it from water and from my paints. Also, I decided to add some stamps to my canvas, but in the end I will hide it with white gesso because I really don't like the result. Now I want to add texture paste with sand to my background to make my work more voluminous and interesting. start painting. First I will use impasto Mediterranean, and later I will use metallic acrylic paint Stormy Ocean. And in the end I will add just a little bit Opal Magic Blue Gold. I will cover seahorse with it. Now I'll add a little bit of whiteness to my work, and later I'll add a little more, layering different shades. Okay, now let's work with Gboard. As you can see, I cut this beautiful frame into pieces, and I'll emboss it with Lindy Skunk embossing powder. It calls Chuck It Up and Don't Scream Aquamarine. And later I'll add one more embossing powder from Stampin' Dolls. It calls Shabby White. As I already told you, I add a little more whiteness to my work with acrylic paint, and now I start working on my composition. Start layering, and as you can see, I add cardboard to lift my window and to provide my canvas with dimensional and more interesting forms. Of course, I add beautiful Prima flowers and these beautiful elements from molds. Also, I used leaves from Watercolor Floral collection. It is the newest one. And as a final touch, I'll add some toppings to my work. It will be art stones and glass glitter. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this canvas, and don't forget to subscribe and not to miss new videos.